G'day guys, Carl Jockimson here. I'm in with the team at Lake Pro Tackle, and they stock full range of Miller rods, and you can get in here and feel them. They are unbelievable. We got 4 spins, 16 bait casters, from swim baits right down to finesse fishing. But if you're just looking at getting one Miller rod and you want to check them out and see what it's all about, buy the Switch Freak. This is what we designed for a versatility rod. That's why we called it Switch Freak. You can literally switch it out for anything. It's one of my favorite rods. I probably have 5 on my deck at any one time, and they can have a spinnerbait, a chatterbait, a buzzbait, a jig, a swim bait, you name it. It's sort of like that all-rounder. 7'3", so great for skipping, pitching a jig. And then with Miller rods, what you're going to notice when you pick them up, they have the top of the line latest technology on all of them. They have this G-clutch handle, what I call like a skeleton grip. So when your hand is through there, your hand is actually on the blank. The feel is incredible. That G-clutch style handle is so smooth. There's nothing that rubs on your hand. And it's just low profile all the way through, right down to like customized hook keepers down the bottom, not up the top. You know, all the high-end Fuji guides, they have it. If you want to get one rod, get the Switch Freak, feel what that's like, put whatever you want on it and fish it. You're going to love it. And then you can start looking at the range. You're going to go through, and we have like specific customized rods for flipping, for pitching, for swim baiting, glide baiting, the Dream Freak. We have a rod for it. But start with the Switch Freak, and you're going to fall in love from there.